Did you know that hyaluronic acid can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water and can dramatically increase hydration and plump the skin? I'll show you how to reap the benefits and walk you through how to use Ialuset Hyaluronic Acid Cream correctly for maximum hydration and youthful skin. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of French pharmacy skincare, specifically Ialuset Hyaluronic Acid Cream and how to use it correctly. So if you're looking for hydrated skin and how to achieve that dewy glow, you're in the right place. So stay tuned. First and foremost, let's talk about what Ialuset Hyaluronic Acid Cream actually is. This cream was created by a French laboratory for wound healing and was never intended for cosmetic use. It contains 100% pure pharmacy-grade hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is used for many things, to heal wounds, to heal the skin barrier, to plump the skin, and to retain moisture. As I said before, it was never intended for cosmetic use, but somehow French women got hold of this cream. Now, you might have seen videos of Ialuset Hyaluronic Acid Cream trending on TikTok. I know that there are a lot of misinformation out there with people purporting that Ialuset can be used as a moisturizer, but most of the information out there is false. So I'm going to teach you how to use Ialuset the right way. So you're probably wondering how to apply Ialuset and the best time to apply it. Ialuset should always be applied to clean skin after cleansing and toning and before your moisturizer on damp skin. That way you'll lock the moisture in. Ialuset should be used preferably at night when the skin has the chance to regenerate itself and collagen production is boosted. This will give the cream a chance to work its magic. Here are some tips on how to apply Ialuset correctly so you can reap the benefits of this amazing hyaluronic acid cream. Number 1. Ialuset should always be sandwiched between your toner mist and your moisturizer. It should always be applied after cleansing and toning and before your moisturizer. Always place Ialuset in this way in your skincare routine in order to reap the full benefits. Number 2, always apply Ialuset on damp skin. After you've applied your mist or toner while your skin is still damp, apply the Ialuset and then re-dampen your skin with your toner and mist. Here's why. Ialuset contains hyaluronic acid, 100% pharmacy grade. Hyaluronic acid is able to retain up to 1,000 times its molecular weight in water. So the water from your toner and mist is actually drawing more moisture into your skin. So always make sure that you apply Ialuset on damp skin. Number 3, allow your skin to air dry. In order for hyaluronic acid to work its magic, it needs to dry, and so that all the molecules, all the water can be drawn into your skin. So you have to be patient. I know that it's time consuming, but if you're going to use Ialuset, this is very important that you allow it to air dry. Number 4, Ialuset is not a moisturizer. Ialuset contains 100% pharmacy grade hyaluronic acid, and the molecule of hyaluronic acid that it contains only penetrates the surface level of the skin. It does not go deep into the skin. I'll go into that in another video about the different molecules of hyaluronic acid and how they work, because not all hyaluronic acid products work the same. Ialuset only penetrates the surface level. Remember that it is a wound healing cream, so the wounds are always on the surface. So afterwards you need to apply a moisturizer. It is not a moisturizer. You will reap adverse effects if you do not apply moisturizer when using Ialuset. Here are some things to avoid while using Ialuset Hyaluronic Acid Cream. Now, as we already know, Ialuset is a pharmacy-grade product that was created for wound healing. So even though you can reap the benefits of this beauty hack, you should always proceed with caution and use Ialuset sparingly. As I said before, Ialuset contains 100% pharmacy-grade hyaluronic acid, and this product is meant for wound healing. The molecule of hyaluronic acid in Ialuset only penetrates the surface level, as it is meant to heal wounds. Therefore, you should use it with caution and follow the tips in order to reap the benefits. Ialuset is not a moisturizer and should not be abused in any way. Visit the blog now to read the in-depth instructions on this cherished French pharmacy skincare product, along with the full ingredient list, frequently asked questions, and where to purchase this product. Link to the blog post in the description down below. For your convenience, I've also provided a link to the product in the description box below. And that's it, guys. Using Ialuset is super simple and can really make a difference in your skincare routine when used correctly. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, my beauties, take care. Bye.